Yes guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel and to a video that I am pretty nervous but also equally as excited to make. Obviously you've seen the title, so in today's video, after 5 years of having long hair, it's getting cut short. The beard's gonna become stubble. So yeah, today's going to be a big transformation. Hopefully I don't regret it, but at the same time, in all honesty, I really do feel like I just need a change with my hair. Like I said, it's been long for 5 years. I feel like I really need a change. I want to start kind of styling beanies and caps a lot more as well. And I don't know, I just think sometimes change is good, especially after 5 years of having the same hairstyle. So yeah, today's the day. We're going to the barbers, we're getting it cut short, and I'm gonna kind of document the process and bring you guys along with me. But guys, before we do head off, smash that thumbs up button for some major encouragement. Hit subscribe if you are new for more men's fashion content every single week. And last but certainly not least, I'd really appreciate it if you could hop on over to my Instagram and give me a follow over there. I'm super active. Every single day we're posting outfit pictures, outfit reels, and it gives you guys the opportunity to kind of get a behind the scenes look into my life and a behind the scenes look into me making these videos. So if that is something that you guys want to see, then definitely give me a follow over there. All right guys, so that is the intro done. I guess it's time. All right guys, so it's time, there's no going back now. This is Sophia, she's in charge of cutting the hair. I've already shown Sophia what kind of style that I'm gonna go for. I've naturally got quite curly and wavy hair. So I've already shown her a picture. I'll put it up on the screen so you guys can see. But do you wanna just kind of quickly, briefly explain what it is, like the process we're gonna go through?
Yeah, so essentially we're going to cut the hair in 3 stages. We're going to get the bulk off, and then we're going to get the shape into it, and then we're going to refine the hair and get it into the kind of shape we want it, and we're going to do it bit by bit so we don't take too much off. Yeah, honestly I'm so nervous, but yeah, that's the process. There's no going back, so let's jump in.
Laying on my bedroom floor, staring up at the ceiling. You got me paralyzed. No, not a single medication could kill all this pain I'm feeling. I'm barely getting by. So I get a little drunk and I text you, baby, wondering if you're home.
All right guys, so fresh out of Suave Barbers in Chester, which by the way, I highly recommend. I'll leave all the links to everything to do with Suave in the description down below. So yeah, if you are ever just like in the Chester area or the Cheshire area and you're in need of a cut, definitely give them a go. But yeah guys, transformation is complete. I'm just heading home. I'm gonna have a shower, style my hair, and then we'll kind of sit down and I guess just kind of debrief and have an overall kind of recap of this transformation. Right. All right guys, so I thought I would kind of give it a couple of days before I filmed this kind of recap section of today's video, just so I could get a proper understanding of how I actually feel. And honestly, I feel exactly the same as what I did when I first got the haircut. So before I got the cut, I thought that I would maybe initially not like it, maybe even regret it, just because, I mean, let's be honest, it is such a kind of big change. And then I thought I would maybe just grow into it as the days go on. However, in all honesty, straight away, I really, really liked it. And I still feel exactly the same now. For me, the biggest change isn't the actual hair, but it's actually the beard, or I guess lack of. But yeah, guys, honestly, I actually really do love it, and I am intrigued to know what you lot think. So do let me know in the comment section down below. There's so many kind of positives to come from this change. One of the big ones for me personally is now being able to kind of style beanies and caps a lot more in my kind of daily outfits. This is something that I'm really looking forward to kind of implementing into my style. Sleeping is also surprisingly a lot more comfortable as well. You know, like my hair isn't getting in my eyes, it's not getting pulled when I'm kind of lying back on it, and it's just overall, honestly, so much easier to kind of style and maintain. I haven't quite kind of worked out exactly how I am gonna style it, but yeah, overall, it's much easier to style, much easier to maintain. I'm sure there's going to be times when I do kind of miss tying it up into a bun, but honestly, I think cutting my hair has been one of the best decisions that I've made in a long, long time. So yeah, guys, do let me know in the comment section down below what you lot think of my overall kind of transformation. And let me know, are you excited to kind of see how this transformation looks when styled with my outfits? Because obviously I look like a completely different person. So I'm personally really looking forward to kind of seeing how this looks, how my hair looks with my outfits, how I can kind of start implementing headwear into my looks. That's something that I'm really excited for. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Again, a huge thank you to Sophia and Suave. She done an incredible, incredible job. I will have all Sophia's information and all Suave's information linked in the description down below. So yeah, if you are ever in like the Cheshire area, honestly, I could not recommend them enough. Like I said, I will link everything in the description down below. But yeah, guys, that is it for me. I will be back with my normal kind of fashion-based content next week. If you guys have any kind of video ideas that you want to see, drop them in the comments down below. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you did like the transformation. If you did, as always, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you are new. Drop a comment down below. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's basically a daily vlog, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Peace.